How to install Cinema HD on Android TV. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to check the compatibility of your TV. Before proceeding with the installation of Cinema HD on your TV, it's essential to ensure that your device is compatible. While most modern smart TVs support a variety of streaming applications, it's always wise to double check. Now after that, go ahead and enable installation from unknown sources on your TV. So access the settings menu on your TV, typically by pressing the menu button on your remote control. Navigate to the security or privacy section. The location of this section may vary depending on your smart TV's manufacturer and model. Look for the option labeled unknown sources or allow apps from unknown sources. Toggle the switch or checkbox to enable the installation from unknown sources. Read the warning message that appears on your screen. Enabling this option may expose your smart TV to potential security risks. It's important to proceed with caution and only install trusted applications. Now confirm your selection and exit the settings menu. After that, download Cinema HD APK file on a computer. In order to install Cinema HD on your smart TV, you first need to download the APK file onto the computer. So to do that, open a web browser on your computer and search for Cinema HD APK download. From the search results, choose a trusted website that offers the Cinema HD APK file, and then click on the download link provided on the website. Wait for the download to complete, and the time required for the download may vary depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded APK file on your computer. It's usually saved in the downloads folder or locations specified in your browser settings. By downloading the Cinema HD APK file into your computer, you're one step closer to enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows on your TV. Now that you have the Cinema HD APK file on your computer, go ahead and transfer the Cinema HD APK file to a USB drive. So connect a USB drive to your computer and then locate the Cinema HD APK file that you downloaded in the previous step. Right-click on the APK file and select Copy from the drop-down menu. Open the File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the USB drive. It is usually listed as removable storage device. Right-click on an empty area within the USB drive and select Paste option from the drop-down menu. The Cinema HD APK file will be copied to the USB drive. Now safely eject the USB drive from your computer. After that, go ahead and connect the USB drive to your smart TV. Locate the USB port on your smart TV and then plug the USB drive into the USB port of your smart TV. Turn on your smart TV and wait for it to recognize the connected USB drive, and then access the menu or home screen of your smart TV using a remote control. Navigate to the Apps or Applications section within the menu. Look for an option that allows you to access external storage devices or USB drives. This option may vary depending on your smart TV's manufacturer and model. Select the USB drive from the list of available storage devices. Now install the Cinema HD app on your smart TV. So navigate to the Cinema HD APK file that is stored on your USB drive. Select the Cinema HD APK file to initiate the installation process. Read and review the permissions and terms of service presented on your smart TV screen. And if you agree to the permissions and terms, proceed with the installation by selecting the Install or Confirm option. Wait for the installation process to complete, and then once it's finished, you will see a notification or confirmation indicating the Cinema HD is successfully installed on your smart TV. After that, you can go ahead and launch and enjoy your Cinema HD app on your smart TV. And that is how to install Cinema HD on Android TV.